Hey YouTubers, Chris here from Salty Life. I've been thinking about buying a fishing drum for some time to help with my YouTube channel, and it's Father's Day 2025. Turns out Salty Wife bought me this relatively cheap $50 Amazon drone just to kind of get me started in learning how to fly a drone. So we're going to give that a review today. Also, my daughter, Salty Erin, gave me this wonderful handmade card with a couple of coupons in it. I enjoy things that are handmade much more than store bought, so it really got a piece of my heart. So I got a coupon here for car detailing and another coupon for a daddy-daughter fishing day, since I seem to always be begging her to go fishing with me. But here we go, reviewing the drone.
Yep.
Hey YouTubers, Chris here, Salty Life. It's Salty Erin, my daughter. It's Father's Day. Salty Wife got me this new drone for Father's Day, so we're gonna test it out. So I'll open it up, show you what comes in the package. You have said drone. Go ahead and just pull the yep, on all four. I already put the battery in it. This is the controller that comes with it. We're here at a local priory, I think it's called. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's a nice place. A lot of people take wedding pictures and stuff like that. So a lot of open space, because before today I've never flown a drone, so we'll see how this works out. I'm gonna put it on top of that. We'll get this set up. You already do that.
You good?
Alright, so let me show you how this works. So
Chris is mansplaining, Erin.
the horizontal calibration, hit this one. So it knows what level it is. And then to take off, so this goes up and down and turns left and right. This goes forward, backwards, and sideways. So this can take off. Alright? We're going to go backwards. We're going to go backwards a little bit. We're going to go up. So right now, if I want to go back to the left, now it's pulling right away. No, it's not, but it might take good pictures. That's the one that's going to There's a little breeze up there, so it's kind of fighting a little bit.
Remember when I got you the helicopter for Christmas? It got stuck in my hair. Yeah, I'm a little PTSD now. This button, you hold it in, it'll come down and land in the ground. Hold that button down and it'll go straight down and it turns off. And it's just turn off. But you have to take off
here. So it's facing that way. So once you go up, just go above these trees and go forward, and then you just your hand. You're just gonna hold that button down, right? And it'll go up and then up, down, and then just go forward, backwards. Go up, go up, go up. Hey, hold on. You gotta turn it. Because there's a little breeze, so you have to use that forward backward. Just start off with forward and backward until you figure out how to turn this foot. So right now, forward's going to go that way, right? So it started to go this way, so let's do this. Don't turn on yet. So go above these trees and then go forward. Forward's the right hand button.
I get it. I'm not doing that. I just want to point out. I'm trying to stop it from doing it.
When it gets up on the top, I'll give it back to you. Yeah, I just immediately went forward because it wants to drift back. So we're going to go up, right?
Yeah.
Put it above the trees. Right now I'm keeping it going forward because when you go left, it'll go left. And then it'll go right. But it wants to go backwards because of the breeze or whatever reason. Hold on, I want to fix one thing. And then this will turn it. You just got to use it a little bit. That turns the direction of forward and back. When you keep the forward off, it goes backwards. So I think the breeze is going this way. So keep the forward foot down. So the left hand turns to is it on?
I got the geese. So how do I take a video?
Oh, the video is floppy. Let me try. Watch that one. Maybe there's another button on there that changes the format.
I'm trying to figure out how to get it over there. It's drifting again.
Go up and forward. Now, if you turn it, it'll go full, whichever way it's facing. There's a couple buttons on the bottom that'll spin around. Remember, that's a 300-foot range, and it will drop to get beyond the
Too far. I would come back here over the water.
Come back before you lose it.
Oh my. Oh my. Come back, come back. Oh, Aaron.
I got it. Fine.
No, I don't think it is. Come on.
I can't see it.
And go closer.
I'm going up.
All right, YouTubers. A little snafu. I think the drone went out of range and not sure where it went. So we'll see what happens. Oh, she found it. She's got the drone. She has successfully recovered the maiden voyage of the $50 Amazon drone. Good job, Aaron.
Not gonna lie, I was a little afraid one of the geese. So, a little bit of chaos. Dad let me control the drone, and obviously I'm not too good at it because it went over. We were over here, and it went all the way over there across the pond here, and I might have lost control of it a little bit, might have gone out of range, and then it just kind of dropped. So we were a little scared for a second there. But we got it. I retrieved the drone. All is well. Now, Dad is going to play with it some more on his own. So we'll get some more footage of that. And Salty Wife has been with us. She's been our camera woman. She's doing a great job. What? Really?
All right, take two. There's flips and stuff we can do too. Let's try one of those flips. See what happens. So remember how to do it. And the wind is definitely pushing us towards the cape.
Yeah, it's not a great day for this. That's not funny.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What you doing?
I don't know which way forward is.
Yeah, once it gets far away like that, you're like, I don't know how to.
Well, I think you have to look at the camera too, but which way? What are you doing here? Why are you doing that? It just takes a little getting used to it. It took me a while in the backyard to figure it out too. I'm gonna try to get it back. Let's see if I can land it on top of the thing.
It's gonna land the drone right there. Ah.
Okay, YouTubers, here's a couple photos from the drone. As you can see, picture quality is poor. I did take some video. I did not show you here. Video quality is poor. Now, is this a cool $50 toy? Yes, absolutely. Keep that in mind. It's a $50 drone. It's not a $1,000 drone that I'm looking at for fishing and taking good video. It's a $50 toy. With that in mind, I think it's well worth the purchase. But do not purchase this drone thinking you're going to take high quality video, because that's not going to happen. But hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I appreciate it.